Japan consists of over 6,800 islands, with the four largest being Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak, is considered a sacred symbol and is an active volcano. The famous cherry blossom season, or sakura, attracts millions of tourists each year to Japan. Japan has the world's oldest company, Kongo Gumi, which was founded in 578 AD. Sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan and has a history dating back over 1,500 years. Japan is known for its high-speed trains, including the Shinkansen, which can reach speeds of up to 198 miles per hour. Japanese cuisine includes sushi, ramen, tempura, and matcha tea, among many other delicious dishes. Karaoke, a popular form of entertainment worldwide, originated in Japan in the 1970s. The technology giant Sony was founded in Japan in 1946 and has since become a global leader in electronics. Japan is home to over 1,500 earthquakes each year due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Japanese tea ceremony is a highly ritualized tradition that dates back over 1,000 years. The Japanese yen is the official currency of Japan and is one of the most traded currencies in the world. The Japanese language consists of three writing systems: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. Japan has a population of over 126 million people, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the largest metropolitan area in the world with over 37 million residents. Japan has the highest life expectancy in the world, with an average lifespan of over 84 years. The Japanese believe in the concept of wabi-sabi, which values imperfection and impermanence. Japan is known for its unique fashion trends, including Harajuku street style and traditional kimono attire. The Japanese art of bonsai, or miniature tree cultivation, has been practiced for over 1,000 years. Japanese hot springs, or onsen, are popular for relaxation and healing purposes. The bullet train, or Shinkansen, first started operating in Japan in 1964 and is one of the fastest trains in the world. Japan has a strong tradition of cultural arts such as kabuki theater, ikebana flower arranging, and origami paper folding. The Great Wave off Kanagawa, a famous woodblock print by Hokusai, is one of Japan's most iconic works of art. Japan is known for its efficient and punctual public transportation system, including trains, buses, and subways. The Japanese practice of forest bathing involves spending time in nature for its therapeutic benefits. Japan has a rich history of samurai warriors, ninja assassins, and martial arts traditions such as judo and karate. The Japanese flag features a red circle on a white background, symbolizing the rising sun. The Japanese emperor is a symbolic figurehead and holds no political power, in accordance with the country's constitution. Japan is one of the world's leading producers of automobiles, electronics, and robotics. The Japanese New Year, or Ashigatsu, is a time for family gatherings, traditional foods, and shrine visits. Japan is a country of contrasts, with bustling cities like Tokyo and peaceful rural areas like Hokkaido. The Japanese love of nature is reflected in their appreciation of cherry blossoms, autumn leaves, and seasonal festivals. Japan has a unique cuisine that emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and beautiful presentation. Japanese culture places a high value on politeness, respect, and harmony in social interactions. Japan has a rich tradition of tea ceremonies, flower arranging, calligraphy, and other Zen-inspired arts. The Japanese language has borrowed many words from Chinese, Korean, and English over the centuries. Japan has a fascinating blend of ancient traditions and modern technology, creating a dynamic cultural landscape. The Japanese calendar is based on the reign of the current emperor and includes both Gregorian and traditional eras. Japan has a strong work ethic and culture of diligence, leading to high levels of productivity and innovation. The Japanese education system is highly competitive, with entrance exams determining students' future opportunities. Japan has a unique system of etiquette and manners, including bowing, gift-giving, and shoe removal indoors. Traditional Japanese architecture, such as temples, shrines, and castles, reflects the country's rich history and cultural heritage. Japan has a long history of geisha entertainment, with highly skilled performers trained in dance, music, and conversation. The Japanese concept of omotenashi emphasizes hospitality, customer service, and attention to detail in all interactions. Japan is a country of islands, with a long coastline, abundant seafood, and a strong maritime tradition. The Japanese art of manga and anime has a global following, with iconic characters like Hello Kitty and Pikachu. Japan has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, with artisans specializing in pottery, textiles, swords, and more. The Japanese tea ceremony, or shinoyu, is a highly ritualized practice that emphasizes harmony, respect, and tranquility. Japan has a rich tradition of storytelling, including folk tales, legends, ghost stories, and historical epics. The Japanese love of nature is reflected in their appreciation of seasonal changes, cherry blossoms, and autumn leaves. Japan has a unique system of government, with a constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. The Japanese flag, with its red circle on a white background, is known as the Bemishoki or Hinomaru. Japan has a long history of artistic traditions, including painting, calligraphy, pottery, and textile arts. Japanese cuisine is known for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients, beautiful presentation, and unique flavors. The Japanese language, with its three writing systems of kanji, hiragana, and katakana, is known for its complexity and beauty. Japan has a rich tradition of performing arts, including kabuki theater, no drama, bunraku puppetry, and taiko drumming. The Japanese concept of wabi-sabi emphasizes the beauty of imperfection, impermanence, and the natural world.